At the day number 2 of the impeachment trial of Ken Paxton, and what you need to know, the first whistleblower took the stand today.
The problem is the office is being used for the benefit of one person. It's not exercising its own independent judgment. You have the Attorney General.
Here's what else you need to know from day number 2. Mr. Paxton was not at the trial today. Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick confirmed that after yesterday morning, he doesn't need to be there. Some of today's testimony from one of Paxton's former top employees began to connect the dots to the evidence House managers shared publicly earlier this month. One of Ken Paxton's former top employees was the first witness on the stand. And what a day it's been. Brian, talk to me about what your takeaway is from his testimony today.
Yeah, he testified that he was concerned with some of the unusual steps that Paxton was taking to help a real estate investor named Nate Paul. He found out that Paul was a campaign donor and that Paul was helping to cover up an alleged affair that Paxton was having.
It answered the question, why is he engaging in all these activities? At times I thought, is he being blackmailed? I mean, this was so unlike what I experienced with him for 4 years. And this was part of it. There may have been more, there may have been others, but this was certainly part of it.
Brian, when it came to the cross-examination of Jeff Mateer, it sounded like things were getting a little bit chippy. I'm curious if you have the same point of view from being there.
Yeah, they definitely did this afternoon. Paxton's attorney questioned him about why he went to the FBI with his concerns instead of taking them to Paxton's first. Paxton's attorneys have claimed that these whistleblowers jumped to so many conclusions, many of which could have been cleared up had they gone to Paxton.
Is it possible, Mr. Mateer, that you jumped to a lot of conclusions really fast?
I don't believe so, sir.
And you could have put all this to bed if you had just talked to your boss.
I attempted to talk to him starting probably in June, July, August, September.
No.
I did.
Take it easy.
I did talk to him, sir.
Take it.
A lot to digest on just one day of testimony. Brian, I know you've seen the witness list. Looking ahead to tomorrow, what can we expect?
Yeah, the day will start with more testimony from the second witness, another whistleblower, Ryan Bangard. We do expect during cross-examination that Paxton's attorney will go after him, questioning him about whether he came to conclusions without knowing the full story about his boss.
Brian New, inside Senate chambers for us each day. Brian, thanks. And here's the reality. We know most of you don't have time to sit around all day and watch, so we got you covered. We got your back. What you really need to know from the impeachment trial from Austin each day. If you're not aware, we are streaming the trial live each day, so if you want, you can listen, dive in and out, whatever on your own schedule. You can do that through our CBS News Texas YouTube channel.